Here are 5 Amazon PPC hacks that are going to lower that ACoS and drive more sales. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and we're going to dive right into it, cut the fluff, and give you guys those 5 tips to increase sales and lower ACoS. If you guys are new and you get any sort of value, please subscribe to the channel and let's jump into my screen and I'm going to show you guys that first tip. So we're going to be using a shoe cleaner kit as the example for today. And let's say I need to increase sales and lower the ACoS. So the first strategy is we're going to be using what's called a product targeting PPC campaign. What this allows you to do is create a campaign inside Amazon ads where you target other people's ASINs, other people's listings, to display your product on other people's detail pages. So basically you're going to be stealing from your competition. But there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. And what we're going to be doing and what we're going to be focusing on is doing it the right way by finding sellers that are new, inexperienced, the low-hanging fruit, and sellers that have bad reviews. And if we can put our listing on those sellers' detail pages, we're going to convert 10 times better. So we're going to dive into my screen. I'm going to show you guys exactly the tools that we're going to be using to find those specific sellers. So we're going to be using a tool called Helium 10. I'll put the link down below. You guys can get 20% off for 6 months. And you search for the keyword, come over here to the Chrome extension, search this right up, and you're going to see a list of products. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the filter results. And what we want to do is come to this ratings tab, and we want to find the sellers that have a minimum of 0 all the way up to a 4.2 star rating. So ideally, your product should be above 4.2 stars. And if you have, let's say, a 4.2, then you'd want to do a 4. So we'll do a 4.2, and then we'll hit apply filters. And just like that, that filtered out, and we've got 13 ASINs that we can then take, and these are going to be great candidates to put into our product targeting PPC campaigns. So we've got 13 ASINs. I'm going to show you guys how to find more, and you guys can do that on additional keywords. And you can come over here and you can actually download the CSV report and then just paste those ASINs in the product targeting campaign. And as you can see, this seller's got 0 reviews. This seller has 19 reviews and they have bad reviews. This seller is doing 1.3 million a month. They've got 9,000 reviews, but they don't have the best review rating. So this is going to be a great listing to put our listing on top, and we're going to convert because we have the better reviews. So that's a super easy way to identify that. The next way to find that low-hanging fruit is we're going to come over here to the Helium 10 web app, and we're going to be using a tool called Blackbox. So what people use normally for Blackbox is product research, but it's actually great when it comes to PPC, and they have a little tab called product targeting. So right here, you come over here and you find your main competitor. So we'll come back over here, and this seller is crushing it. This is a big brand, so I copied this ASIN, come over here, plug it in, and I hit search, and I do the review rating at 4.3, and then it goes and finds me 10 products that are related to this product that have ratings less than 4.3. So I got 10 more products. And again, it looks like we found that same exact one, but you can come over here and you can download the CSV report. And now you've got 22, if we minus that one, we've got 22 ASINs that we can go target. And that was literally pulling one ASIN and one specific keyword. So you want to do that for multiple, but now you've got 23 ASINs to plug into your product targeting campaigns. So that is going to be the first tip, is identify the low-hanging fruit and utilize product targeting campaigns. The second strategy is straight gold, and it's my low ACoS campaign, and it's super easy to set up. What you're going to do is go to your Amazon ads, come over here to sponsor products, hit continue, and we're going to create an automatic campaign. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process of setting this up so we can just give it a name. You can name it after me if you want. Auto Low ACoS Trevin. We'll scroll down over here. You do the automatic targeting. Just a little side note, if you guys are doing the product targeting, just like I showed you, you would click manual targeting, and then you would enter in the ASINs setting it up. It's very, very easy. But we're going to do automatic. Then we're going to come over here and do the default bid as 12 cents. Okay, we're not going to do any negative keyword targeting. We're just going to come over here and we're going to put a daily budget of $75, and you're going to launch the campaign. It is literally that simple. Daily budget, $75. The bid is 12 cents. It's an automatic campaign. Select the product that you're looking to obviously sell, and just like that, you're good to go. And what this is going to do is it's not going to drive tens of thousands of dollars every day, nor I guess depending on your ASIN, nor tens of thousands of dollars every month, but it's going to pick up that low-hanging fruit and a lot of miscellaneous sales that you wouldn't have picked up for extremely cheap. I always share this with my students. I've shared this in past videos, and the success is through the roof. But I will mention and say this one more time. People come back and they're like, oh, I'm not generating any sales. Yeah, depending on the product, depending on how good your product is, how much demand your product is, this could perform better than others. But it's definitely worth setting up. And then another thing that people get worried about is they're like, oh, $75 budget. Like, that's a lot. Like I can't spend that much. If you do spend $75, you're going to be extremely profitable. So you're just fine. But 99% of the times you will not even get close to spending but maybe $10 a day on this campaign. But just trust me, 12-cent bid, $75 budget, automatic campaign. It's as simple as that. That's strategy number 2. Strategy number 3 is super underrated, and it is using seasonal keywords in your PPC campaigns and also just in your overall listing images and your listing copy. And what I mean by this is, depending on the type of product, there are so many different types of holidays, there's different events, and there's different things that are happening where there's specific keywords that maybe don't describe exactly what your product is, but there's so much extra demand that your product could kind of fit with that particular keyword. The perfect example is, let's say I'm selling some party supplies or I'm selling plates, and the Super Bowl is coming up. During Super Bowl, people are buying party supplies, kitchenware, and utensils for their Super Bowl party. And so what you can do is, in your main images, you can show, hey, we're having a Super Bowl. This is great for a Super Bowl party. These plates are awesome for big groups. Then you can also put in your backend search terms Super Bowl party, or in your description Super Bowl party. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find keywords using what's called helium-10 magnet, which I'll show you guys how to do. And you're going to find keywords that say Super Bowl party supplies, Super Bowl party, and you're going to be using those keywords in your PPC campaigns. And you're going to obviously select the party supply, the plates, and you're going to drive traffic for those specific seasonal keywords, okay? I'll show you guys another example. So we're selling this shoe cleaner kit. This is a great gift idea. This is great for Father's Day. This is great for Christmas. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to Magnet, and I searched Father's Day gift. I come over here and we've got 1,800 keywords. And what I did is I selected the ones that have men in the keyword phrase. So I clicked on men, and as you can see, we've got the 837. And we come over here and you have a list of keywords. So basket gift for men. We've got gifts for men smoker. It probably doesn't work. Best gadgets, that doesn't work, but you'll just come over here, Easter basket for men, Easter basket men, gift ideas for men golf. Okay, so none of those. Valentine's Day men. This shoe cleaning kit, I know for me, I'm a shoe lover, and if my wife's scrolling and she's searching on Amazon, Valentine's Day men, and this pops up, she's like, oh, this is a great gift for my husband. That's what you're trying to do, is you're trying to capitalize on these specific keywords during seasonal times of the year and certain events. So this is a great way, and you're going to go in, and it's kind of a manual process, and you're going to just go find the best keywords for every single holiday, and there's obviously a lot. You go to ChatGPT, and this is literally what you can do. Say, give me all the big main events that happen year round. And then you find it, and then you come over here, and you plug it into Helium-10 Magnet, and you've got Father's Day, you've got Mother's Day, you've got 4th of July, you've got Super Bowl, you've got Christmas, you've got Halloween, you've got summer, you've got back to school. Like, there's so graduation, Valentine's Day, like the list goes on. And so you want to find keywords that fit underneath those seasonal times. And then from there, you take those keywords, you adjust your listing, you custom tailor it to have it in your images and your description, and then you run specific PPC campaigns targeting those seasonal keywords. This is extremely powerful if done correctly, and that is the strategy that I do, and I use Magnet to identify those keywords. So that's the third strategy. And the fourth strategy is going to help with your conversions, and it's going to help lower that ACoS for every single PPC campaign that you're running. And this is a golden nugget, so make sure to take advantage of it. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to increase your price. Yes, increase the price of your product by, let's say, $5, $8. Don't increase it too much because Amazon kind of wigs out, but increase it by $5. Then you can throw on like a 30% coupon code or a $5 off coupon code. And what this does is it makes the buyer think that they are getting a deal, but it's basically they're paying what you want them to pay. And if you come over here, as we scroll on this keyword shoe cleaner kit, you'll see that nobody has a coupon other than this one. And it's this big green save 30% with coupon. And if you have save 30%, it's going to stand out and the customer is going to click on it more. You're going to have a higher click-through rate, and hopefully that conversion rate is going to be better because they're like, hey, I'm getting a deal. And then if you've done the other things on the back end, which we can talk about in another video, is optimizing your listing, making sure that it's set up for conversions, making sure that you have videos in your listing, making sure that you have professional images, it's going to convert 10 times better. So having these coupon codes are extremely powerful, and you don't have to sacrifice margin. You literally just increase the price and then you throw a little coupon on it, and just like that, you're good to go. So that is another great strategy, and that is the fourth tip to increase sales and lower that ACoS. And the fifth and last strategy is a strategy that's going to be completely free, and it's going to drive a lot of clicks that are going to help increase your sales. And it's by using what's called Amazon posts. So this isn't directly with Amazon PPC, but at the same time, it's the same concept of you are driving clicks, but these clicks don't cost because you're just posting content on Amazon, and then Amazon picks it up and starts showing it to people in the algorithm. And so this is extremely powerful, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So this shoe cleaner kit, we'll click over here and click on the storefront. And if you come over here to posts, so it's basically Amazon has their own Instagram inside Amazon, and most sellers are not taking advantage of this. And it literally takes, like, we're talking a minute or two a day, or you can do it once a week or once a month and set a complete schedule out. And this is what I like to do. I'll spend 30 minutes once a month, and I'll just create my entire schedule for the month for my particular brand. So if we come over here to posts, you can see that they have pictures, and then they tag the product. And these images are actually funny because they're not even really of the product, but they're still posting it because they understand the power. They're showing that this is great. It's a gift for men, him, boyfriend. So they probably posted this around Valentine's Day. We've got right here, they're showing that it's a Christmas gift, and they're tagging their product. So they're using this, and they're taking images, and they're just posting it, and then they're tagging their products. And just like that, that's a great way to get free clicks. And I've done this, and it works, especially during peak season. So during Prime Day, so during that month kind of leading up to it, you're going to want to start posting. And then that entire week of Prime Day, you're going to want to post, especially during the holiday season, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Q4. You're going to want to take advantage of it because there's a ton of traffic and people are looking and just scrolling and wasting time and looking for products to buy. And you posting on Amazon posts is going to basically get this just free traffic to your listings. So it's super easy. You go to your campaign ads manager right here. And if you come over here to brand content, you just click on post. And if you're brand registered and you have a brand, you can just start uploading images. And if you're not brand registered, I'd highly recommend to go through the IP Accelerator program, get a trademark, and get access to these brand benefits. And this is an easy, super cheap way of just driving more clicks, which is going to increase your sales. So Amazon post is super underrated. Not enough people talk about it, and it's literally just like posting on Instagram. You could even have a VA do this. And then what I like to do is the same content that I'm posting on Amazon posts, I'm going to go and cross promote and post on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Instagram, and I'm going to continue to build my brand presence. And as you do that, that is also going to generate more sales and more credibility, more brand exposure, which is as a result going to increase sales and lower that A cost because now people trust you. They get a feel that, hey, you're a legitimate brand. So Amazon Post is extremely powerful. Take advantage of it. It's completely free. You're going to basically be getting clicks for no cost. So those are my 5 strategies to increase sales, lower A costs. Implement every single one of them. They are not difficult to implement, and you're going to see dramatic results. And if you still have questions, if you still need help when it comes to PPC, we have a company called Seller 360 where we will do a full PPC audit for you for free, see how we can help you optimize and overall just increase the profitability, increase sales, and lower that A cost. We'd love to chat with you. I'll put the link down below as well. But that is the entire process. Amazon PPC can be tricky, but these 5 tips are extremely powerful. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you got any sort of value, please subscribe, please drop a comment, and please like the video. That's the least that you could do, and we will see you in the next one.